You throw my slippers over there. You are the bad one. Who is the bad one? No, you are the bad one. You should not throwing things, especially Nanay's slipper. You are so bad. You don't say that Nanay is bad. You are the bad here. You should not throw the slippers over there. You should get it and put it back there if you are not bad one. Are you?
I'm a bad one.
So you're a bad girl. You're a bad girl now
I don't want to get it.
because you're a bad girl, right?
I will close the door.
Oh, see, you're a bad one. See, that's not being nice. The one you're doing right now is not being nice. Why are you closing the door? That's being bad. See, you're the bad one. You throw Nanay's slippers and now you're closing the door. Who is the bad kid now? Who is the bad kid? You tell me. Who is the bad kid?
Nanay.
See? You're bad, anak.
Nanay. Stop.
You're blaming Nanay and you're the one who's doing it. See, you should not do that. That's bad. So who is the bad one now? Huh? You talk to me. Who is the bad one? Okay, so you get my slippers, you put it back, and you're not gonna be bad.
No,
Okay.
like this.
Where? I wanna see, where? Go get it. Go get it. Okay, what are you gonna do with my slippers? What are you gonna do?
Throw it.
What?
Throw it.
Throw it again? Why do you need to throw my slippers? That's being bad, di ba? What are you,
Put it back here, oh.
if you're, what are you gonna do now?
No, like this. No, it's like this.
Is that being nice?
Yeah,
Is that being nice?
that's it.
That's not being nice, baby. You should not do that. You put it back na. Sige na. So be a good girl. Be a good girl. Put it properly. Put it back properly. Sige na. Put it back properly. You're a good girl. Come on. Put it back properly. Good job, baby. Good job. Are you a good girl now?
Yeah.
Are you a good girl now?
Opo.